back to another video about my move. If you watched my last video all the way to the end, you found out that the people that put a bid on our house currently, it was under contract and everything, ended up pulling out. So then we were left with nobody buying our house, which means that, so if they can't buy our house, then that means we can't get the Victorian house because we're using the money from the sale of this house to buy the Victorian house, and then we'll have extra money to fix it up. So we got a very smoking deal on the Victorian. It was only $100,000. So, I mean, you can't beat that. And it's probably gonna cost another $100,000 to get it good, but I'm cool with that. But update, we had another bid and they signed the contract. So now we are under contract again, and all we have to do is wait for them to do their inspection. It is an FHA, so then they need to have an appraiser come in, but they're actually willing to do anything that the FHA loan wants them to do. So we have peeling paint on our front porch, and they're actually willing to do all that on their own dime as well. So that is exciting. Please, if you do pray for me to get this house and pray for these people to come through and buy our current house. This is just a quick update. So that's pretty much it for now. I do have another video coming out that's going to be a story time video. We accidentally walked in on a showing, and we have 2 dogs, and we let the dogs in the house and walked in on the showing, and that's all I'm going to tell you. So stay tuned for the next story time. Anyway, I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and peace out.